everybody, welcome back. Today I'm just going to show you how to turn out nice, neat, sharp corners without having to cut. Just sew your seams as normal. Put your thumb right into the corner of where you have stitched. Fold one half over and fold your other half over and make your point. Make your point. Hold on to it with your finger and push it right through. Again, put your thumb up to where your stitching comes to the corner. Fold one half over and fold your second seam down on top. Now you've got a nice sharp point there. Put your finger on top and push through. Nice, neat, sharp corner. Don't need to use scissors, don't need to use dowel rod to poke it out. I know that was a quick one, but it saves a lot of time. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share. See you next time.